In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to fix Windows 11 AirDrop alternative, nearby sharing, not working. Nearby sharing is Windows 11's built-in way to quickly pass files, photos, and links between PCs without cables or complicated setups. When it doesn't show, other devices or transfers won't start, it usually comes down to a few simple settings. The feature might be off, visibility may be restricted, or Bluetooth and Wi-Fi aren't enabled. Let's walk through the exact checks to get it working smoothly. Start by opening the Settings app. The quickest way is to press the Windows key and the letter I together. This brings you straight to the main settings window, so you don't have to hunt through menus. Next, go to the System section and open Nearby Sharing. This is where Windows controls visibility and permissions for device-to-device transfers. If Nearby Sharing is off, your PC won't appear to others, and you won't see their devices either. Turn Nearby Sharing on, so your computer is discoverable for sharing. Right below that, choose the visibility setting. Select Everyone Nearby. This is especially helpful when you're troubleshooting because it allows any nearby Windows device to see you, not just those signed in with the same account. Picking Everyone Nearby broadens compatibility and removes a common visibility roadblock. Now make sure both devices are using the same Wi-Fi network. The network name should match exactly on both PCs. If one computer is on a guest network or a mobile hotspot, and the other is on your main home or office network, Windows won't be able to discover and pair them for nearby sharing. Take a second to confirm the network name on each device so they're truly on the same connection. While you're in Settings, ensure Bluetooth is turned on. Bluetooth handles the discovery and initial handshake between devices, so even if you're transferring over Wi-Fi, nearby sharing still relies on Bluetooth to find and connect to the other PC. Keep the devices reasonably close to each other so Bluetooth can do its job. Also confirm that Wi-Fi is on in Settings. Wi-Fi provides the actual data transfer path for your files and links, delivering a faster and more reliable experience than Bluetooth alone. With Wi-Fi enabled and both machines on the same network, transfers should start promptly and move at a good speed. With Nearby Sharing on, visibility set to Everyone Nearby, both devices on the same Wi-Fi network, and both Bluetooth and Wi-Fi enabled, you should be ready to share without a hitch. Give it a try, and if something still doesn't appear, revisit these settings to make sure nothing was toggled off.